Now, the Narcotics Control Bureau is searching for the drug kingpins. Another drug peddler has now been arrested. This drug peddler has been identified as Anuj Keswani. This peddler has been held with drugs as well as foreign exchange. Keswani's links to peddlers who supply drugs to Souvik is under the scanner. Narco team will be in fact continuing the questioning of Sushant Singh Rajput's staff and friends. We've confirmed to you that the Narcotics Control Bureau is looking at this as a massive racket and using this as an opportunity to identify drug peddlers who are providing drugs to people in the film industry, to people in Bollywood. One more drug peddler has been taken into custody. Mustafa Sheikh is joining us with more details on this. Mustafa, just break down for us at this point how many people have been taken into custody. We understand that several drug peddlers have already been nabbed, but the narco team is still on the lookout for several others.
Yes, as the probe is progressing, there are other names and of people who are coming out in this entire case. The first arrest which had taken place was of two people one named Ibrahim and then Karan. They named two other people, which was Zaid and Basit. So Karan and Ibrahim, the first two accused, are out on bail. Zaid and Basit are in police custody, NCB custody, till 9th of September. From there on, the NCB said that Souvik was named by Basit as a person who was in contact with him to buy drugs. So Souvik and Samuel Miranda were called in. And in which both of them were later arrested, and Samuel Miranda said that it was Dipesh Sawant also with whom once he had gone to buy drugs. Dipesh Sawant was arrested and he made revelations that yes, he was told to buy drugs. He bought drugs on the instructions of Riya, on instructions of Souvik Chakrabarti. He saw Sushant Singh Rajput smoking up even back in September 2018. He was arrested, and after which now Riya was called for questioning. She's still the questioning is on. But Anuj Keswani, one more name, propped up in the dealings of drugs. There are many other names at this point of time with the NCP. NCP will have to call for questioning or make arrest. There are a lot of people. Rishikesh Pawar, one of the delivery boy, he was the person who introduced Dipesh Sawant with Sushant. His name has propped up many times. So there are many such people in the entire cycle. If we are looking at somebody who was regularly consuming narcotics, then we can say that there will be more than one supplier. There will be a lot of people in the supply chain because that person will not directly go and buy drugs. So all these things have to be figured out, worked out. Around 8 people have been arrested in this case so far. Back to you.
Mustafa, request you to stay on with us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.